You can use filters to help you analyze large lists of data.
Filters will allow you to show or hide information that you want to see or not see. It can also allow you to sort your lists. So to enter a filter, we just have to click somewhere within our data set and then go to Data and then Filter. And we'll insert these drop downs on our top row. Now, let's say we want to hide these 4 columns because group A did yoga, so we want to hide that for some reason. We're just going to click that drop down and we're going to untick yoga. So now those columns are gone. Alternatively, those rows are gone. Alternatively, we can sort these. That one already looks alphabetical, but let's put it reverse alphabetical. Sort Z to A. And the rows are kept together, but that column is now alphabetical. And this is a really useful tool when you have large lists and you only want to hone in on key information. Advanced filters are available if you go to text filters and use things such as these preset options, or use a custom filter, which will allow you to use wildcards. This question mark symbol to represent any single character, and the asterisk to represent any series of characters. So if I want to remove yoga, I could say remove anything like that. And we've removed yoga. You can insert filters with the shortcut Alt-A-T, and you can just as easily remove them with that same shortcut, Alt-A-T. There are various ways to sum a filtered list. So here we've got nothing hidden and it totals 60, and we're just using the equation equals sum and then that range. But let's say we remove team 3. We'll do that on this side, team 3. Now the rows will show as blue because there's a filter applied, and the hidden rows will just show as this little gray section here. So now, because we're using sum, we're still considering that 30 that was hidden. If we don't want to use that 30, function subtotal equals subtotal, and we're going to use 9, and then we're just going to take that range, and this will exclude the filtered values and give us 30. Now you don't need to memorize that because you can just use the shortcut Alt equals and it will set that up for you already. And Alt equals is what we usually use when we just want to sum a list. Great, and if we take off that filter, we should see those blue rows disappear back to normal. And subtotal will still work.